Welcome back. Now we will create the questionnaire page on our website. As I told you in the beginning of this course that when a customer will place an order on our website, so after placing the order, we will ask them some questions relevant to the service we are providing. For example, we can ask the customer to write to us in details that what kind of design they want from us. We can ask the customer to provide us the address, phone number, or company name that the customer wants us to add on his business card. Or you can ask any other question from the customer regarding the service you are providing. So for all this, we will create a questionnaire page on our website. And doing this is very easy. Just follow me step by step and you will learn how to do this. So first of all, we will go to the pages section in our dashboard, and from here we will create a new page. So I will click on add new, and then I will name this page questionnaire. After writing the name for this page, I will scroll down, and here under the content layout, I will click on the drop down and I will make this page full width, and then I will click on title and I will disable the title for this page, and then I will click on the publish button to publish this page. Now we will go back to our main dashboard, and here we will go to appearance, and under appearance we will click on theme editor, and then here click on I understand, and then on the right side you will see theme function.php. So just click on this. Make sure to open this theme functions.php file, and then scroll to the bottom, and here you will see a comment. This is the comment. This logic will only be executed when Ocean Extra is active and has the previous SDK. So make sure to find this comment at the end of function.php file. So first open function.php file, scroll to the bottom and find this comment, and above this comment we will paste a code here, and you will get that code in the resources of the next lecture, so you can copy that code from there and you will paste it here. So this is the code. I will copy it from here. Now I will paste it above this comment. Just make sure above this comment here. So I will paste it here. You will get this code in the resources of the next lecture. Now you will do here one more thing. You will see here https:/businesscards.com/questionnaire. You will remove this address and you will add the address of your questionnaire page which we just created. So we will go back to the pages and I will copy the address of our questionnaire page which we just created. So I will open all pages in a new tab, and here I will open the questionnaire page which we just created. And to copy the address of this questionnaire page, under settings you will see the document option. Click on documents, and then here you will see the address of this questionnaire page. So just click on this and it will open in a new tab, and from here we will copy the address of this page. Now we will go back to our function.php file, and here I will remove this https:/businesscards.com/questionnaire, and I will paste that address here. So you can see I changed the address to udemydemo.epg.com/questionnaire. So in your case you will add the address of your questionnaire page here. And make sure to do this. If you forget to change this address, your questionnaire page will not work. So once you add the address of your questionnaire page here, then click on update file. So we got the message file edited successfully. Now we will go back to our dashboard, and from here we will install a new plugin. So we will go to the plugin section, and here I will click on add new. Now from here I will search for a plugin called Ninja Palm. So right here Ninja Palm. So this is the Ninja Palm plugin which we need to install, and you can see here they have 1 million plus active installation. So click on install now, and then click on activate button to activate this plugin. Now after installing and activating this plugin, you will see a new tab Ninja Palm in your dashboard. So just click on this, and then here click on yes, I agree. So now from here we will create the questionnaire page questions. So you will just click on add new, and then here you will see some template pages like for collecting feedback, for contact us, and if you scroll down, so you can see job application pages, general inquiry, and the one we need is questionnaire. So we will click on questionnaire, and now here we will add all our questions that we want to ask from our customers. So by default it gives you these questions, and if you want to delete or modify these questions, so you can do that from here. So the first one is first name. So if you need this field you can leave it, or if you want to delete it, so you can hover over on the setting and then you will click on the delete icon to delete this field. But we will not delete this field, and instead we will modify it to something different. But I will tell you one thing here, that before creating this form, contact your freelancer, the one who will work for you to design business cards for your customer, and ask him that what kind of questions he want to ask the customers before he start designing their business cards. So your freelancer will provide you a list of questions, and he will tell you to ask these questions from your customers when they place an order on your website. So you will create this questionnaire on the base of those questions. And when a customer fill this form, so you will receive it in your WordPress dashboard, you will download it from there and you will send it to the freelancer. And the freelancer will then start working on it as per the customer demand. So once you got the list of questions from your freelancer, then you will start editing this form here. So if you want to edit this field, you will just click on this, and from here on the right side you can change the label for this field. So for demonstration I will write here something like your address, and then if you want to make this field required, so you can turn on this option from here, and then if you click on display, so you can add a placeholder text, like for example I will write here your address, and then in the description field you can write the description for this field. So for demonstration I will write here something like, please provide the address that you want to be mentioned on your business card, and then I will click on done. So you can see the first field is now changed to your address, it is required, and the description is please provide the address that you want to be mentioned on your business card, and here is the placeholder text, your address. Now if you want to modify this last name, so I will click on this and I will change the label to your phone number, and then I will make it required. Then I will click on display, and in the placeholder text I will write something like, write your phone number here, and then in the description I will write something like, please provide the phone number that you want to be mentioned on your business card, and then I will click on done. So you can see now this field is changed to your phone number, and then the description is please provide the phone number that you want to be mentioned on your business card. So the customer will be able to write their phone number here, and they will be able to write their address here. Now if you scroll down, so for the email field I will click here, and then I will change the label from here, and I will write something like your active email, and then I will make it required, and then I will click on display, and in the description for this field I will write something like, please provide us your active email address on which we will contact you. Then I will click on done. So you can see this field is now changed. Now for email confirmation I will modify it to something like, rewrite your email. I will make it required field, and then I will click on done. Now if you don't need this gender identification field, or if you don't want to modify it to something different, so you can hover over here and then click on delete, so that field is deleted. Also, if you want to delete the age field, so you can hover over here and delete it. Now you can also add drop down questions, like if I click here, so I will change the label to something like which colors do you like for your business card, and then from here you can change the label. So I will remove this and I will write something like black, then for this one I will write white, then orange, and then if you want to add a new drop down, so you can click here on add new and then write it here. So I will make it red, and then when you are done, just click on the done button. So this field is now added, and if you want to preview this form, so you will see here the preview changes button. Just click on this and it will open in a new tab. So you can see this was our first field: your address, your phone number, your active email, rewrite your email, which color do you like for your business card. So the customer can click on the drop down here and they can choose their desired color. So this is how you can design this questionnaire page. Now I will scroll down, so I will click on edit for this question and I will change the label to something like write to us in detail what kind of design you want from us, and then I will make it required field and then I will click on done. So here the customer can write to us in detail that what kind of design they want from us. Now once you create all the questions here, then click on the publish button and then close this. And then here you will see a new form questionnaire which we just created. The contact me was by default, and this is the one which we just created. And in front of this you will see this short code. Now we will copy this short code from here and we will go back to our pages, and here I will open the questionnaire page, and then here I will click on edit with Elementor. Now here in the Elementor dashboard, first I will create a new section for this page. So I will select a single row and single column, and then in the elements panel I will search for an element called shortcode. So this is the shortcode element. I will click on it and I will drag it and I will drop it inside this section. Now under the content tab we will paste that code here which we copied from the Ninja form. So I will click here and I will paste that code here. After pasting the code, I will click on apply and then I will click on update. So with this our questionnaire page is created. Now if you go back to our dashboard and if I open our questionnaire page in a new tab, so this is how our questionnaire page looks like. Now I will show you how the customer will fill this form and how we will receive the submissions. So for that we will be placing a live order on our website. So we will do that in the next lecture because this lecture is becoming very lengthy. So in the next lecture we will do that.